Advocacy means not just speaking up and having a voice, but it means being part of the solution.
It's not a matter of whose voice can be the loudest. It's not a matter of who can win the fight. It's a matter of sitting down and saying, how can we make this work?
At TVC, we are in the role of advocates in a number of different ways. We advocate individually. We'll work with a family to make sure that their voice is heard at a school meeting or at a court hearing or at a child and family team. At the same time, we're modeling effective advocacy for them, because the idea is that they learn those skills themselves and they learn how to build those collaborative relationships that you do when you're an effective advocate.
These families with TVC have navigated the system. They've learned how to get the services their own child needs, so they can then in turn be a good advocate and work with a new family that is trying to navigate the system and get the services they need for their child.
We also advocate locally for particular issues that might be affecting families and children in that community. We advocate at the state level to make sure that the legislature is informed of what certain laws or amendments they may have before them, how that will actually affect each child and family that are their constituents. And then nationally, we're involved in a number of movements to make sure that family are equal partners at the table when you're talking about their lives and their children's lives.
If you're going to be a true advocate, you have to speak the truth about what's really happening out in our service delivery system, what's really working for families and what's not working for families. Tennessee Voices for Children is very committed to making the kind of policy changes that have to occur if we're going to transform this very fragmented system into a working system.